What's up? Good morning, guys. We got a new build. It's a Toyota Tacoma. We're gonna be doing a system. Let's check it out. This right here is the setup. That's the setup right here. We got the 4 speakers. I know they're 6x9s, so we're gonna get these 6x9 swapped out. We're gonna just do a basic system, 5-channel, 4 speakers, 2 subs. It should sound really good. You know, Alpine does great with their products, so we'll see how this build comes along. Looks like they're gonna start off by just doing the wiring. They're running the power wires, getting that set up. Then we'll open up the doors, do some Dynamat or some sound deadening. I'm not gonna say Dynamat because they get mad because we don't use the brand Dynamat, but you guys know it as Dynamat. It's called sound deadening. Cool. Factory radio, non-JBL system, so that's kind of a plus, but you know, we're still gonna probably run into some issues with all pass filters and whatnot. All right, today is got slammed. It's already in the morning. Like there's 2 right there that they got, and then there's like 4 other damn cars in the bay. Gotta work on that BMW M3, which is an Amper base, but we gotta test it out because it sounds like it has the system already. All right. The alarm is now done on this one, the Camino. That's ready. Let's go check on the truck. See how the system's going. They already swapped out the back speakers. They took care of that. We did get the box in. Did you do this side already? This side's done already? We're done. Ready to start the fronts? We're starting the fronts now. I'm gonna go ahead and open the doors and change out the speaker. Bravo. All right. So see, check this out. See how they got that sound deadening in there? It's gonna help with the doors to keep it more solid. And now we're gonna also put it here, and then you know we're good to go. So yeah, so it looks like all the speakers are now finished. He does need to put the amp. They are going components, so they use the factory brackets to get the speaker in there. So far so good. Looks like they finished the Toyota. They got everything done. I don't know how it sounds. But we're gonna see how it sounds. See if the customer even likes it. All right, now it's done. Let's go see it. I want to hear this thing. Nice. All right, so the amp and everything is back here. I believe the amp's under the seat. So they'll put the box behind here. The 2 tones. So that's the box right there. So let's see what it looks like. All right. We might get copyrighted for the music, but you know, see what happens. Yeah, you can feel the bass of the door. So you want to tell them how it sounds or no?
It sounds bad.
There
You
you
guys
go.
are gonna come down here to get you guys' systems. They know what they're doing.
Hell yeah, bro. All right, Bido.
All right,
Thank you, man. Take care. So happy customer, happy life. Yeah. There goes bye-bye. I didn't really have too much recording because, you know, the other guy doesn't like to be on camera too much. But he did that system. Say goodbye to the truck. Well, how is my people going? It is a new day and feeling good today. I don't know why. I feel real good. So I have the Supra. I wasn't able to vlog on it because the guy working on it doesn't like to be on YouTube or on video. So what we did is removed all the junky ass wire from this car. It was a lot of bad wiring, and also put an Alpine screen in there, and we replaced all the speakers for Alpine as well. So that was cool. And Junior did this badass dash piece. We relocated his gauges because they were underneath the radio, and they moved them to the top with this custom little bezel that has the word Supra on it. Looks really good. We'll show that to you. Look, this guy's working. All right, look at this guy. He has a Starbucks. People want to know, why weren't you at Knowledge Fest, bro? They didn't pay him enough to go. Just kidding. All right, look at Lewis's thing. Lewis, it looks nice, but I think you need to paint the bar black, no? It'll come off when we screw it on, huh? Dang. Oh. So look at his little invention. You know,
No, it's hovering base.
Well, that's cool. Are the lights bright? This is a custom light bar, guys. Custom. And then we're gonna put some more up there. Yeah. So we'll watch him while he works on that. All right, so we made this new sale, Chevy Silverado, baby. I'm telling you, Silverados love their base. So we're gonna have my buddy here, Martin, take that out and let's do some system installation. Man, the sun is going down. The truck is still getting worked on. I have no microphone on here, I apologize, but let's check it out. So it looks like they already got the amp and the stuff mounted. See? Can you see that? Now they're gonna put all the wiring together. Look at, man, I want to show you guys this real quick. I got a Supra, an M3 and an RT. If this thing right here was like a light purple, that I would be like fucking rainbow Skittles here. Anyways, check out this gel audio amp install already. So the amp's mounted. We have it on a piece of wood, so that way it's not gonna be going through this section here. You know, saves that. Now they're just gonna wire it up. Look at all the tools required for the job. Cool. So right here we're just getting the signal for the base. You have the paper, or you know from your phone? The way we know which cable to grab, we have the direct text. It helps us know which cable's which. So he found the colors, chop them up. All right, so look at that. Wow, it is nice, it's clean. What else do you guys want? Okay, the box didn't fit, so I let my customer borrow this one. He'll be back later so we can also get that. Okay, as you can see later already. Does it sound loud? Cool, guys, that's the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Always comment, like, subscribe, share this, and more to come. Peace.